Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to give you a little bit of a tour of what we're doing right now, because it's been a little while since I posted the last video. Not because we're just kind of like laying low and just being just boring. That's not our style. But since we've seen you last, we have been to. I guess you guys saw the highlight video of the No BS, but we are going to be putting the whole video out for the No BS No Prep a month ago. We've done a dyno day with Jeremy from Faster Problems. I've gone to Florida to go celebrate the birthday of both my nephews. I did just a ton of different events. So we're gonna start bringing them back to you guys, but we're gonna start doing a little more vlog style. So we're gonna start with that right here, right now. I can't show you a couple projects because they're still in the works, and like one's actually right here. That's I will let you know that this is gonna be our new autocross car. Can't say what it is, but it's going to be pretty interesting and definitely unexpected. You guys already know our media van right here. She's gotten us everywhere a million times. We've had a couple setbacks with it over, just from all the miles we put on it. Just crossed over 250, like 3,000 miles, so that's pretty cool. We have new offices going up. It's just a ton of everything. So I want to kind of show you what's going on. Let's take a look. So, like I said, you guys already know this van right here, but what you don't know is this space. So, here's the new offices that we're building. We have stairs going on right up here in front of us. You can kind of see the new stringers. These were bare to work on. We had to weld in some plates to be able to attach them. But that's gonna be the new offices. We have our loading dock right here. On a beautiful day. We got the yard out there, as you can kind of see. It's full of vehicles right now, but that van is going to be coming in here soon, and that is an '83 Ford Econoline Midas Touch. So that's going to be a vehicle that we start doing some filming with, doing some traveling with, things like that. But more importantly, I'm going to be cleaning up that space out there to start doing RV rentals. For those of you that know me and have met me, I like to hustle. Everything's a business. Everything is fun, but everything's a business. I take that very seriously. So this warehouse, yes, it's awesome to have all this space to work on just different things, but it needs to make money. So I don't like to charge whenever I go out to these events. I mean, to be honest, I've never charged when I go out to these events. I don't feel comfortable doing that. So what I'll do instead is I'll create money by renting out a 1/4 acre fenced in lot that I have on the side. It's gonna take a lot of time to clean it up, but I'll throw some RVs in there and see if I can't make some money off it. So that way I can keep upgrading what I'm doing. Like, we need a new camera. Like, this camcorder is awesome. But we need to upgrade to a 4K. Zach needs a second camera and more lenses, things like that. So we really appreciate all the support from you guys. I mean, almost 500 subscribers as of right now is incredible. I didn't think we'd be at that ever, really. 28,000 views, 13,000 views, 4.5 thousand or whatever. Tons of awesome videos that you guys have just supported us on. So just thank you so much, but please, if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe, like our Facebook page, like our Instagram page, so that way you can kind of see what's going on, because we're trying. I mean, we are literally building out this space to be able to bring the best footage possible and the best construction to my home state of West Virginia. So guys, I appreciate everything you do for us, all the support you give us. And I can't wait to see where this goes. I look forward to going on this adventure with you all. Be sure to go out and support your local tracks, support your local businesses. They need it and they deserve it. So see you guys.